Good morning, student. I hope so. All are they done? The exercise 7.1. Now let us go forward for exercise 7.2. In this exercise, you will learn to how to represent fraction on number line, type of fraction. We have already learned in previous one classes. So once we have to revise it, what we have to learn? Fraction. Fractions here is divided in three parts: proper, improper, and mixed. Okay, what is a proper fraction? If we are talking about numerator is less than denominator, always denominator will be greater. How to learn this proper fraction and improper fraction? Some students getting a confusion which one is a greater, which one is a smaller. It's a good thing if you will remember according to this letter dp. dp means denominator will be greater in proper fraction. Only one you have to learn, and another one, it is a vice versa of proper fraction. If you will think about proper fraction denominator will be greater, in improper fraction denominator will be less than, and numerator will be greater. डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा यहाँ पे? छोटा होगा, और न्यूमिनेटर क्या होगा यहाँ पे? बड़ा होगा. Clear? How to learn this improper fraction? Numerator will be greater in this improper fraction. Okay, so depend on it which way you are using, you can learn this definition also. You think about, so maybe you are not getting a confusion. Okay, so remember proper fraction dp means denominator will be greater in proper fraction, and in improper fraction who will be greater? Here is the denominator, then here numerator will be greater. So you have to learn the word ni, not di. It's very typical. Ni means numerator will be greater. Okay, so here is the example, denominator 5 and then greater है 2 से. Here 7 is a greater, numerator greater है from denominator. Whole fraction है whole number and a proper fraction together, यानी whole number आता है अपने साथ में, whole number के साथ में कोई एक proper fraction like that. Understand? That is called a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. It is called a mixed fraction. This definition you have to note down in your copy, type of fraction. Okay, same as picture you can draw it. Yeah, same you can write separately the definition of these three. Next, equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? You already learned this equivalent fraction. Two fraction having same value. Two fraction having, you have to write this definition of equivalent fraction. The equivalent fraction are the two fraction having same value. Okay, how can, वो अपन पे डिपेंड करता है, हाउ कैन वी आर मेकिंग टू इक्वल इन द सेम फ्रैक्शन? बाय मल्टीप्लाई, बाय डिवाइड, डिपेंड ऑन यू हाउ टू मेक अ इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शन. ओके, simplest form means just using one way, one digit in a both place, numerator and denominator, and using operation multiply and divide. Okay, what is the lowest term condition? Using operation only multiply and divide. These are the two operations we will use to make a lowest term. Okay, second thing, use only one digit in numerator as well as in denominator. Okay, so remember it, this two step, for if you are making a lowest term, just this two step you have to use it. See, we are taking this numbers are divisible by 2, so which operation? If divisible by 2, then we have to divide by 2. So here is also divide and here is also divide. Then you got here 14 and 18. Again this 14 and 18 is divisible by 2, so same process we have to done. Then we are getting 7 upon 9. 7 upon 9, it's not cutting with any digit, then it is you leave it. This is your simplest form. Now go through our exercise. Draw number line and locate following fraction on them. How to draw these numbers in a number line? I am explaining only 1 and 2 part. Remaining one you have to do in your notebook as a homework. See, draw number line. Here is the question 1 upon 5. So what you will do, you have to draw this type of the line and here put the 0. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to do dual process till डिनोमिनेटर जितना है उतना तुमको वहाँ तक ड्रॉ करना है. क्लियर? उसके बाद में क्या करना है, व्हाट द प्रोसेस? 0 किसका डिवाइड लगाना है? 5 का. जो डिनोमिनेटर है, विच इज़ योर डिनोमिनेटर, यू हैव टू डिवाइड विद द डिनोमिनेटर 1 डिजिट. हियर इज़ ऑल्सो 5, हियर इज़ ऑल्सो 5, हियर इज़ ऑल्सो 5, 5, and here is also 5. 0 upon 5 it become 0. 5 upon 5 it become 1. Why I just, because a number line always come in between of whole number, remember it. Number line, fraction numbers always come in between of whole number. So here is this whole number 0 and 1, and you can see this 1 upon 5. Where is it? This one is your 1 upon 5. How can you write it? This is the answer, 1 upon 5. Okay, understood? Now how can you do this one? Now 2 upon 3, how can you do this one? Again this one, you have to draw a number line, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have done till 3 because our denominator is 3, so you have to stop the process, and after that divided by also 3. डिवाइड लगा दो 3 से, यहाँ पे भी 3 से, यहाँ पे भी 3 से, यहाँ पे भी 3 से. होल नंबर तुम्हें मिल गया, ये 0 है और ये क्या है तुम्हारा 1. ओके, नाउ द प्रोसेस, यहाँ पे 2 है तो सेम एज यू हैव टू मेंशन द 2 इन योर आंसर. दिस इज द 2. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर इज योर आंसर. So here is your answer, 2 ratio by 3. How can you represent this mixed fraction on number line? You can see this mixed fraction number is also coming in between of whole number. I have to understand, remember only the denominator one digit. If you remember the denominator digit, you have to write till denominator the digit, and after that divide also with denominator digit. Okay, divide भी denominator digit से लगाना है और mention भी denominator digit तक ही करना है. Now express in mixed fraction, this one is very easy for you. How to express your mixed fraction? You have to remember this one, QRD. What is the means? Q means quotient, R means remainder, and D means divisor. Okay, so here I mentioned the divide. 4 का divide लगाए 23 में. How many time gone? 50 time. 20 and the 3 is our remaining. We can't divide now, so here is your remainder. So this is your answer that we are calling quotient, and which one is remaining, that is called our remainder, and which things we are taking for divide, that is called our divisor. Okay, so here I mentioned the value of according to this formula. Q means 5, R means 3, and D means 4. Using this improper fraction, how to convert in mixed fraction, use this one formula QRD. Okay, remember it, this formula QRD. Express in improper fraction, how to convert this again mixed fraction into improper fraction. You know it, we are going from down 1, bottom 1. So this 7, it will be multiplied with 1, and whatever the answer it came, then we after add in this upper one digit. Okay, above the one digit. So here 7 multiply by 1, यहाँ इनको multiply किया और ऊपर वाले में क्या करते हैं, प्लस करते हैं. Multiply plus 1 plus 2 upon 7. 7 plus 2 upon 7, it means 9 upon 7. This is the improper fraction, converting from mixed fraction to improper fraction. Find the equivalent fraction of 5 upon 8. Equivalent fraction means same value in the fractions. Same value, how is it? See, suppose I am taking here 1 upon 2. Okay, here I am writing equal of 3 upon 6. You can't see कि वो दिख नहीं रहा equal है, but है equal. How is it possible? If you are making a lowest term of 3 upon 6, how is it? 3 table में 3 आता है 1 time and 6 आता है 2 time. What you are observe, क्या observe कर रहे हो तुम लोग? दोनों तरफ क्या है? 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Okay, so these are the equivalent fraction. Don't say without making a lowest term. First you have to make a lowest term, then after you will say these are the equivalent fraction. But here we are finding for number for making equivalent fraction. Here is a missing one box. We are finding a number. So how is it possible? Just comparison with given one digit. Here is the denominator given. Here is also denominator. In 8 table, 24 is coming. How many times? 3 times. So here the digit you know and the operation you know, then you have to use upper the same thing. ऊपर भी वही same चीज़ use करनी, multiply and 3. Now 5 multiply by 3, 15. Here is your answer. Understood now how we are finding? Now numerator 45. So which one digit is given above the line 1? Yani it means numerator, and here is also numerator. So in 5 table 45 is coming how many time? 9 time with multiplication sign. So here is also we are using same operation with multiplication sign and writing 9. 8 9s are 72. And the remaining questions do as a practice, as a homework. Now question number 5. check they are equivalent or not using this one way, making a lowest term, and after that we will find easily कि they are equivalent or not. So here 125 and 100 is coming in which table? 5 table. 5 की table में दोनों आते हैं. How many time? This is 20 time, and this number is your 25. Okay, now again you are getting the another fraction is your 25 and 20. Again this both number is coming in 5 table. 25 is coming 5 table and 20 is coming in 4 table. Now you can see these are numbers are equal, so yes they are equivalent. Okay, yes they are equivalent. Now here 12 upon 25 and 6 upon 5, which digit we can break it? 12 upon 25 is coming in any one table. दोनों नंबर किसी एक साथ किसी के टेबल में आते हैं? No. So these number are not a equivalent fraction. No. Now remaining do in your notebook. Next question, lowest term and simplest form. I already told you how to make a simplest term. Use only two way operation याद करना है और एक digit लेनी है. ठीक है? How? See, this 120, 12 and 18. 10 from 10 we can cut it. Then digit is become 12 upon 18. Now 12 upon 18 is coming in any one table. In which table? 3 table. So you have to divide with 3 here also and here also. What the number you will get? 3 4 12. 18 is coming 6 times. Again these both number is coming in 2 table. So you have to divide with 2. Then you will get here 2 upon 3. Now this 2 upon 3 we can't cut it, and these numbers are not coming in one table. So just this is your simplest form. 42 upon 66. Both are the even number. So definitely they will cut from 2. If you are cutting from 2 this number, then you will get here 21 and here 33. Now these are the number we can cut from 3. 3 table 21, 7 time, and 3 3 11. These are the lowest term of your 42 and 66. Okay, clear it? Next one, next question, question number 7. Class 6A has student 36, 6B, 30 students, 60, 32 students. The number of boys is given 6A, 6B, 6C. Respectively 18, 15 and 6. Boys numbers are given and girls number we are finding. Okay, so how to find girls number? Total number is given and a boys number is given, so we have to reduce boys number from total number. That number it become girls number. Girls quantity will be shown. Okay, so that the two part there is in two part of this question. Here what fraction of girls we are finding, the fraction of girls. Okay, and does each section have equal fraction or girls student? ये भी पूछ रहे कि क्या equal fraction में है क्या तीनों? So just look at that, we will get our answer. What the condition is given, we will write it first. Total student of class 6 से 36, boys of class 6 से 18, girls of class 6 से just reduce the 18 from 36, then you will get again 18. Okay, total students of 6B 30 and the boys 15, reduce 15, then you will get a girls number 15. Same the process for I did class 6 से, then I got here 16. What you will observe, number of girls in a fraction of class 6 है, number of girls को अपन fraction में denote करना है, तो you know the girls number we will write upper one and नीचे क्या लिखता है total, नीचे क्या लिखता है टोटल. यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स आता है डिवाइडेड विद दिस टोटल. सो 18 के टेबल में 36 कितनी बार आता है? 1 टाइम 18 on 18, 18 2 जा 36. इफ यू आर मेकिंग ए लोएस्ट टर्म देन हियर विल बिकम 1/2. ओके, फॉर सेम द प्रोसेस फॉर क्लास 6 भी 15 की टेबल में 15 1 टाइम 30 आता है 2 टाइम, तो 1/2 आ रहा है इसका लोएस्ट टर्म, और इसका भी लोएस्ट टर्म क्या आ रहा है 1/2. Why I did the process for the next question, next part of question of this question number 7. So first part we have to done number of girls in a fraction. We have already mentioned, write the number of girls and divide with this total number. And after that, does each section have equal fraction in girls section, girls students? 1/2, 1/2. Yes, each section have equal fraction of girls students. Okay. Now second question, question number 8. How many halves are there in this numbers of the question? How can you do it? How many halves? Here is the question. So you have to make in improper fraction first. After making improper fraction, whatever the numerator one digit, that is your answer 5 halves. Okay, मतलब 2.5 में कितने हाफ्स हो सकते हैं, ये वाले हाफ कितने हाफ हो सकते हैं, तो कितने हो सकते हैं 5 हाफ. सेम इज द प्रोसेस फॉर नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, 4.5 में कितने हो सकते हैं, 9 हाफ्स हो सकते हैं. Write to improper fraction. Improper fraction means ni. Ni means numerator will be greater. Okay. So here is the given denominator one condition. Denominator is given 9. N upon d. That is the condition. Okay. So what is the given? D is given. D is given. So you know numerator will be greater. तो 9 से अपन को बड़ी डिजिट लेनी है कोई सी भी, तो कुछ भी ले लो 11. Here is your answer. But you have to write two improper fraction. So you can write according to your choice 9. एंड यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 11, और भी बड़ा ले लो कोई भी, 12 ले लिया. दीज आर द टू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सेम एज इन 5. एंड 5 पहले लिखा न्यूमरेटर, एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल बी स्मॉलर फ्रॉम न्यूमरेटर, यू रिमेंबर इट. तो 5 से छोटी लेनी है, तो अपन ने 2 ले लिया, और इधर 5 लिखा, देन आफ्टर 5 and 1. Question number 10. Make an equivalent fraction. How is it making equivalent fraction? Remember it always. The equal fraction you will get here. Now 100 से 200 कैसा है, जब तुमने यहाँ पे क्या मल्टीप्लाई किया 2. If you doing multiply here 2, तो same process you have to do in downward also. यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा 1000. You got the answer here. Now अब इन दोनों में कंपैरिजन करना है. Now 1000 से 250 कैसा है. If you will divide by here 1000 से 250, you have to do divide it, तुम्हें आंसर मिल जाएगा. 10 से 10 कट हो गया, 25 में 100 का डिवाइड लगाएंगे तो अपने पास क्या आंसर आएगा 4. ओके, सो यहाँ पे तुम्हें किससे डिवाइड लगाना पड़ेगा 4 से. जब तुम यहाँ पे 4 से डिवाइड लगा रहे हो तो ऊपर भी किससे डिवाइड लगाना पड़ेगा 4 से. 4 से डिवाइड लगाए तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया 50. After dividing this 4, then you will get here the remaining blank one place space number. Okay, understood? How can you do it? Comparison here, in first you have to comparison in between of this two number, then after this two number. Okay, this remaining you have to do as a practice. अगर नहीं मिल रहा है तो डिवाइड लगा के चेक कर लो. मल्टीप्लाई में इजीली वी कैन फाइंड आउट, बट डिवाइड में क्या करना है, डिवाइड लगा के, जैसे मैंने अभी डिवाइड लगा के चेक किया, देन आई गॉट कि यहाँ कितनी बार किससे डिवाइड लगाना पड़ेगा, डिवाइड बाय 4 से. गिव अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. Give a proper fraction. Proper fraction means dp. dp means denominator will be greater. So here whose numerator is 15 and denominator 15. बस लिखना ही है अपन को. denominator यानी अपन कैसे लिखते हैं फ्रैक्शन को, n upon t में. So n is your 15 and denominator is 70. These are proper fraction. Whose numerator 9 and denominator is 1 less than twice the numerator. How can you find out? See, numerator is given completely correct. So here whose numerator is 9, denominator is 1 less than twice the numerator. How can you do? See this one question. Numerator is 9. Numerator is 9 means numerator is given properly. But denominator in given right like that in riddle one question. Riddle के टाइप में questions दिया है और उसको अपन को digit find out करनी है. कैसे find out करेंगे? Just see. 1 less than twice the number, times twice the numerator, and means here numerator. So here the statement which is given that I write here. Now after the process, twice the numerator means 2 multiply by n. Okay, then after you know it, less than and from where whatever the digit is came we will write first. I told you in integer one chapter also. So less than और from के बाद वाली जो भी digit होती है सबसे पहले मैं वही मैंने लिखी है 2n है, it means 2n को पहले, फिर then after minus 1. Now n value is your 9, so replace the value n with the 9, then you will get here 2 multiply by n, it means 18. 18 minus 1, 17. So here we solve our riddle of through given condition that we have now denominator is your 17. Now write in fraction 1 numerator and denominator. Now numerator is 9 and denominator is 17. Now third one, see whose sum of numerator and denominator 12. How many fraction of kind you have made? कितनी fraction बना सकते हो जिसका numerator and denominator 12? You can like 11. फर्स्ट रिमेंबर डिनोमिनेटर विल बी ग्रेटर, तो कुछ भी डिजिट लिखो. सपोज तुमने यहाँ पे लिखा 7. नाउ 7 में क्या ऐड करो कि 12 आ जाए, व्हाट यू विल ऐड 5. ओके, सेम एज राइट बिगर वन डिजिट, हियर राइट 11. 11 में क्या ऐड करो 1. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन 8. 8 में क्या ऐड करो 4. So here so many you can make it, and how many, just write the answer according to yourself and make it. Which of the following figure represent equivalent fraction? Do in this one book only. Shaded parts and divided with total part. You have to do this one. Caution yourself. How can you do this 2? How many shaded part 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many part? 8. And here is a 1 upon 4. And here 1, 2, 3. Like that you have to make first fraction, and after that making a lowest term. See, this is 1 upon 4. ये दोनों क्या हो गया? Equivalent fraction हो गए. A and B क्या हो गया? Equivalent fraction हो गए. Okay. But now think about this one. Do in book only this question number 12.